Okay.
Hello, my name is Michael and I'm going to show you today how to make Vietnamese Phin coffee, which is the coffee that you make with this little pot. So very simple to make at home. If you just come and zoom in here and I'll show you. What we have is this little coffee set which I bought from Vietnam, and you just need a small glass, some coffee grounds, and I actually use some little filters as well. And of course you need some hot water and a cap to help you. So just grab some hot water. So come in a bit closer and I'll show you. So we've got some coffee which I bought from Vietnam, or on the Vietnam border. Can you come in close? I'll show you in here. So you put about 1 large tablespoonful of coffee grounds into this pot, like so. Let me show you. There's a number you can see, and then you cover it with this little filter here, and just maybe tamp it down a little bit. Okay. And then I actually used one of these little filters which the Vietnamese guy gave me, but I'm not sure that you need these. You can probably do it without these. That goes on top of your little glass. And then we just, first of all, we add a little bit of water just to wet the grounds and make sure this is kind of flat. You can just do it by circling a little bit. Add a little bit of water just to wet the coffee and leave that for about 20 seconds. Get your lid ready. And while I'm doing that, I'll just get the other essential ingredient, which is some condensed milk. Okay, so it's about 20 seconds, it's wet, and then we just, if you come in close and have a look there, so we just fill this up as much as we can. This gives a nice black coffee, and you should start to see, if you look down there close up, dripping through. You want it to be dripping through, not too quickly. You want to make sure it's having time to sort of percolate with the coffee a bit. And that'll take about 2 or 3 minutes, and that's pretty much it. This is an old can of condensed milk that I got. In Vietnam they have it with sachets,